Good morning, student. Now let's see the circulatory patterns in this video. Okay, there are two patterns in the organism of circulation of blood, that is the open circulatory system and closed circulation system. Okay, in the open circulatory system and closed circulatory, what is the difference between them? Let's see. In the open circulatory system, blood flows through the open space channels. Okay, mean there is no any blood vessels. Okay, and in the closed circulatory system, blood confined to heart and closed blood vessels. Closed blood vessels are found and blood flows in the blood vessels and heart is there. But in the open circulatory system, blood flows through the open space. Open space होता है, blood vessels नहीं present होगा. Okay, and that is the open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. And blood flows in is slow. ओपन सर्कुलेटरी ब्लड का फ्लो जो होता है वो स्लो होता है, और क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में ब्लड का फ्लो होगा दैट इज़ फास्टर. ब्लड फ्लो इज फास्टर. ओके, इन द ओपन हाई ब्लड प्रेशर कैनॉट बी डेवलप्ड. ओके, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर कैनॉट बी डेवलप्ड बिकॉज ओपन स्पेस चैनल इज देयर. एंड इन द closed circulatory system, high blood pressure can be maintained. Okay, it can maintain the high blood pressure also. And blood directly comes in the contact of tissue in the open circulatory system. But in the closed circulatory system, blood does not come in contact to directly tissue. Okay, directly do not come into the tissues and cells. Get it? Okay, so this is a difference between the open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Get it? Up now next is the circulatory pathway. What is the circulatory pathway? You can see. Let's देखो. Firstly, the chambered heart. All vertebrates. Vertebrates, everybody knows that having a backbone, they are known as vertebrates. Okay. All vertebrates possess a muscular chamber heart. Every vertebrates have a heart. Okay, and heart is made up of muscles. And different animals have a different chambers. In the 10th class, you have studied about the chambered heart also. Like in the human beings, I think everybody knows in the human beings, the 4-chambered heart is there. Okay, in the fishes have a 2-chambered heart within a atrium and a ventricle. And amphibians like reptiles and frogs are amphibians. Okay, they are having a 3-chambered heart with 2 atria and a single ventricle. 2 atrias होते हैं और 2 ventricles होते हैं. Okay, except crocodile. Okay, crocodiles में नहीं होता. 3-chambered heart they do not have. Okay, and birds and mammals possess a 4-chambered heart with 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Okay, birds and mammals possess a 4-chambered heart. 2 atrium and 2 ventricles are there. Get it? So these are the chamber of the heart and the circulation. Up now, what is the single circulation? Okay, in fishes, heart pumps out the oxygen. Heart pump करता है deoxygenated blood को. Okay, and which is फिर पंप हो गया हार्ट से कहाँ जाता है? ब्लड गिल्स में जाता है. गिल्स में जाके ऑक्सीजनेटेड होता है. ओके, देन ऑक्सीजनेटेड होने के आफ्टर बॉडी पार्ट्स में जाता है. ओके, एंड वापस से जो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहाँ होता है, वापस से कहाँ आ जाता है? हार्ट में आ जाएगा. ओके, रिटर्न टू द हार्ट. गेट इट? तो दिस इज अ सिंगल सर्कुलेशन. And then incomplete double circulation. Incomplete and double circulation is found in the amphibians and reptiles. Okay, तो सबसे पहले in this type of circulation, the left atrium receive the oxygenated blood from the gills या lungs से skin, and the right atrium get the deoxygenated blood from the other body parts. However, they get mixed up in the single ventricle. और ventricles में आकर ये क्या हो जाता है? Mix हो जाता है. Then it is pumped out mixes blood. Okay, so that's why it is an incomplete and blood circulation. Next is the complete blood double circulation. In birds and mammals, complete double circulation is there. Double circulation होता है हमारा. Okay, circulatory system is our double circulatory system. So in the birds and mammals, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood received by the left and right atria. Okay, and passes into the ventricles of the same side. तो नाउ दिस वेंट्रिकल्स पंप इट विदाउट एनी मिक्सिंग. बिना मिक्सिंग के ही वो क्या है? सेपरेटली क्या हो जाता है? 2 पाथवे हो जाते हैं उसके. 2 सेपरेट सर्कुलेटरी पाथवे आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ डबल सर्कुलेशन. ओके, तो दीज आर द सर्कुलेटरी पार्ट्स ऑफ द पाथवे ऑफ द डिफरेंट एनिमल्स.